What a beautiful day to be out fishing. Fishing along the Shubenacadie River. Just beautiful out. A little overcast, but overall it's not too bad. But such a beautiful place. What's great about this area too is there's lots of different fish species in the river, so you never know what you're going to come across. Wow, someone's old boot or shoe or something. Wow, that looks really old. It's a very historic part of Nova Scotia, and for centuries it was used by the Mi'kmaq. It's a really cute birds around. What I like about it too, I just love the sound of the water. Back in the mid 1800s, the Shuby waterway, with the locks being installed, you could get all the way from the Halifax Harbor to the Minas Basin, the Bay of Fundy. So it was pretty amazing to be able to do that back then. They put the locks in, and I think there's 9 of them throughout the Shubenacadie waterway system. But it's pretty amazing feat for that time to do all of this.